Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Tonight for dinner I made brothy spiced meatballs and a carrot and herb slaw. They're delicious. I love them, and I'll show you how to make them. Let's start making the carrot and herb slaw first. You'll need carrots, onion, mint, olive oil, lemon, and parsley. Grate or julienne the carrots the best way you can, and then put them in a large bowl. I used my box grater that was best for me. And they look like that. Wonderful. So you're going to juice half a lemon and add that to the carrots along with some salt and give them a good mix and squish them with your hands. You want to soften them a bit. Peel an onion, chop it in half, and slice it on the flat side down as thinly as you can. And if you have dodgy knife skills like mine, use a mandolin if you have one. You don't want big old onion rings in your salad. Slice up the rest of the herbs and then place them in with the carrots. But with the mint, you want to keep that off to the side because it'll turn black in any leftovers. So just add the mint as you serve. Drizzle on the olive oil, give it a good mix, and then there you go, you're done. On to the brothy spiced meatballs. You'll take beef or lamb, breadcrumbs, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cayenne, black pepper, salt, and an egg, and give that a good mix. And I forgot the salt, so I came in later. It happens. And then wet your hands and roll them into walnut-sized balls. I got 20 balls today. Fry them in olive oil. You're going to fry them for 2 minutes on each side and then start to roll them around for even goldening. Come in with chicken broth, a can of chickpeas. Bring it to boil. Cover and simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Adjust the seasonings. And then serve. The slaw goes on the side. It's delicious and so healthy. Sprinkle with a lot of feta cheese on top. And I also served it with farro. You can, instead of farro, you can use freekeh or rice, but don't skip out on that feta cheese. That was amazing. Thank you for watching. I hope you give it a try. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.